merong suggestion si Senator Robin Hood Padilla na in the interest of justice, transparency, fairness, and everything. Kung mag-proton ili kayo, General Torre, we will allow people from Kingdom of Jesus Christ to rent also their own proton ili para magkakaroon kayo ng transparency doon sa area. Para pag sinabi niyong negative, titingnan rin nila kung negative rin sa kanilang equipment.
Yes, sir. All help, sir. All help to confirm or deny the existence of these facilities or hiding places of a political is always welcome, sir.
Okay. Sana si Juan, kaya niyo magrenta niyan para sumabay kayo?
Kaya man, sir, pero pwede umalis muna yung mga pulis na dami-dami. Kung sino lang yung mag-conduct ng proton elic or whatever search, pwede yun lang talaga yung dapat. Tapos ayusin natin sa korte. May court order ba? May ano ba? Pwede ayusin na lang muna natin ito, sir.
Ako, tinatanong ko lang kayo.
Yes, sir.
As far as you're concerned.
Yes, we can. Yun nga, nag-usap na kami ng lawyer namin. Yes, we're willing, but yun.
Kaya ninyo? Para, so, sabayan nyo sila. Kung mag-test sila ganun, meron din kayo sarili ninyo.
Your Honor, ganito po, pag ma-positive na wala talagang tunnel dyan, aalis sila kaagad.
By all means, ano gawin nila doon kung wala talagang...
we have really reliable information na yung proton elic findings nila negative, no? Wala talaga mga tunnels doon sa baba, no? And that's why I was really appalled by his declarations a while ago that he was as if treating the ground penetrating radar as if it was the proton elic findings. That's different equipments. Grabe ka high-tech po nila.
Okay. Per suggestion of Senator Robin Hood Padilla, pwede ba kayo magrenta ng sarili niyong proton eli? At sabayan niyo sila?
Yes.
Ganyang ginagawang test? Opo. Mabilis. Magsabing wala, negative.
Wala negative sila.
Ano gusto nyo?
Walang reasonable belief.
Para mabilis.
Iba na ito kung wala talaga tunnel, yung proton elic, bakit pa kayo nandito?
Kaya nga.
Yes.
We expedite everything.
With the declaration of the, yes, Your Honor, we're willing.
Magkano renta kaya niya?
90,000 ata daw.
So you're willing to spend for that?
Oo.
Sige, gawin natin ito. Oo. Sabi naman ni General Torre, he welcome that suggestion. So sabay kayo doon. Kung meron silang iti-test, mag-test din kayo.
Oo.
Tingnan yung result ng both parties.
Para
mabilis.
Imagine kasi, kung if we will not do that, Your Honor, para matapos ito, gusto niya na i-clear lahat ng Kibuloy's followers there. Mga 2,000, itong mahal po ng hotel.
Hindi na kailangan yan. Hindi na kailangan. Kung saan nila gustong mag-test, sabayan ninyo. Sige, sabay kayo.
Okay.
Okay, do it. Sabay kayo.
Pag wala tayo, alis sila.
Wala kaming problema doon. Sige. Proton elic, Your Honor. Ganito. Para ganito. Very fair. May proton elic kasi proton elic yung dinala nila kung saan sila mag-scan, pero actually, Your Honor, we were told maski malapit lang siya, pwede mo na i-scan. Ganun siya ka-powerful. Makukuha na maski ilang meters po.
Kaya nga. So,
yes.
Magrenta kayo.
Yes.
Mabilis.
Okay.
Para pag na-test nyo lahat ng grounds doon at wala na talaga makita, there's no reason for them to stay in there.
Permahan kami dito. Para lalaki sa lalaki, Ron. Baka naman kanina nga noon, sabi niya, Photoshop daw yung anong tawag dito, tunnel. It turned out, totoong-totoo pala yung tunnel. Sige, dito, ngayon. Permahan kami.
I'm trying to help you. I am trying to justify your actions, but I'm running out of justifications. Ngayon, sabihin mo, tuloy-tuloy niyo pa. Well, I don't know how to deal with this situation. Kung nakikinig sana si President Bongbong Marcos ngayon, I am appealing to you, Mr. President, please, listen to these people. Mr. President, sana ibalik mo ang buhay nito mga tao na ito to normal, not only to the KOJC members, but also to your policemen. Galing pa ito sa ibang region na ilang araw na dito, walang matinong higaan, walang matinong kain, walang matinong tulog, walang matinong ligo. I am appealing to you, Mr. President. Please act on this. Huwag ninyo isara yung utak ninyo para mahuli lang si Pastor Kibuloy. You are willing to sacrifice everything. That's only an appeal. I hope you are listening. So again, I'm throwing back to you the question. How long do you intend to stay there?
Sir, same with the commitment earlier. We won't stop until we arrest Apollo Kibuloy, sir. We believe he is in KOJC compound and we will look for him. If only the KOJC members will cooperate with us, leave us alone what we are doing, we're not hurting them. We're not hurting them. They are the ones impeding us. We want to go into a building, why impede us? Stay away. It's not you that we're targeting. We are looking for Apollo Kibuloy, Crescente Canada, Ingrid Canada, Sylvia Simanes, and Roy. What's the first name? Roy. Jacqueline Roy. Those are the peoples that we are interested in. We're not interested in Dr. Badoy. We're not interested in Marlon Acobo. We're not interested in Panatbay. We're not interested in anybody except for the five. Let us look for them freely in these areas. They say that these are sacred grounds. We see that, anyway, sir, this is really of no point of debating, considering that the court order still subsists, and it will be a great dereliction of our duty if we will stop and we will not comply with the court order. We have positive information that Mr. Kibuloy is in the compound, and you have seen the challenges that we faced in the past 13 days. And of course, I would like also to, pasensya na po kayo, dahil kung isa lang talaga, there's only one person who can end this all. The Son of God. Claiming to be the Son of God. Kasi nga naman, ang Son of God, nakilala ko, na nabasa ko sa libro, nagpapako sa krus para sa kanyang mananampalataya. Sana naman, itong Son of God, sa ngayong ito, kantek na kadyal, hindi niya kailangan magpapako sa krus.
You are also a son of God. I am also a son of God. Everyone here is a son of God. A daughter of God. You did not emphasize that. Everyone is. Lahat tayo dito, anak ng Panginoon.
Sir. And also, sir, may I take this chance?
Okay.
Maybe the KOJC has the impression that I take joy and pride in doing this. Pride maybe because I'm doing my job, but I don't take any joy in this. My children are harassed by KOJC. They know my house. They've been delivering vegan chicharon in my house in Marikina during the time that the SMNI franchise was revoked, and the reporters were turned to sellers and fundraisers of sacks and sacks of vegan chicharon. I've been buying from them. I've been supporting them. They're my friends. I don't take joy in this job, sir. It's just because I took the oath that I'm doing this to the end.
May I say something, sir?
Yes, well,
I can see, General Torre, that you do not take any joy in this. and that you're saying that it would be a dereliction of your duty if you do not implement the warrant of arrest. But on the other hand, I would like to emphasize that this, in the exercise of your duties, this constitutes a rape of the constitutional rights of other people. The right to religious freedom, right to education, right to life, liberty, and property of third persons who are not part of this warrant of arrests. As my teacher said, your right to wave your hand ends where my nose begins. And so many noses have already been broken. Specifically, the noses that refer to the Bill of Rights. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Again, sinabi ko na yan sa iyo kanina, General Torre, na in the performance of your duty, you are willing to sacrifice all the rights that as stated by Attorney Fuentes. Ako lang kung saan mga bata nag-aaral, sila yung kanilang religious duties, religious ceremonies ay na-impede. So, hindi ko ang hirap i-justify. But then we are going nowhere in this hearing if we cannot reach to a settlement. Wala tayong magawa dito.